It is always a pleasure to come your way with videos like this. And in today's video, what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about 7 passive income ideas that you can start as a beginner. Most of the times, you start as a beginner and no one is teaching you. We are all doing like videos, YouTube videos, you watch, you don't even know how to start. I just want to touch on 7 ideas that you can start with, and you can do that starting right now, starting today. The first idea we want to talk about is you can build and monetize a blog. Think about it. There are times you are just browsing or surfing the net and you type something like 7 passive income ideas or 10 passive income ideas, and you see that it pops up on Google. So you Google it and you see a lot of blogs. The moment you type on that, you click on one of them, you go into them, read, you see adverts placed on them. That simply means that those blogs are monetized. So you can make money just blogging. And there are a lot of ways that you can start with. You can start with free blogs. You can also start with like paid blogging services. Free blogs like medium.com. You can use blogs like Blogger, WordPress to do free. You can equally pay a premium price for WordPress and you get a domain name and you start blogging. There are a lot of ways you can make money from blogging. You can use AdSense to make money. You can also equally use sponsorships. You can even create membership sites to make money on blogging. So start now, create a blog and start learning how to make money using your blog. You can start on different niches, travel niches, technology niches, even children niches. Like there are a lot of niches that you can start publishing on. Number 2 is you can become an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is simple. If you have a store, maybe there's a store selling this product and you want to buy this particular product, or you want to resell this particular product, but you don't want to hold this particular product. So all you just need to do is you write to this particular company that is selling this and tell them that I can help you market this product, and they will give you a dedicated website. And that website is going to be in your name or your initials or credentials, and you keep sharing that website. And once people buy from that website, you get paid some amount of money, as simple as it is. So it simply means that you go to find products on different websites, international selling websites, and you apply to become their affiliates. And they give you a website, a dedicated website that you own. And you share it to your friends and family. If they want to buy, they buy from that website and you make commission. Assuming you are selling products, you get an opportunity to sell products on Amazon.com. And you can become an affiliate of Amazon, Nike, Puma, even Apple, Samsung, all the global brands. You can market for them. So there are different affiliate marketing programs like ClickBank, like Digistore 24. You can just go there and sign up and start doing. You can equally start your own affiliate marketing products and people will sell them for you. Number 3 is you can rent your spare room, and that's Airbnb business. This is one of the best businesses if you want to like start the real estate industry, but you don't have properties. So you can, if you have a room, you can start with that, or you can even rent a room or homes and start with that also. So it's a way to create passive income if you do it right. Number 4 is you can start a YouTube channel. The beauty of this is, and I'm going to share the secret with you, you will see a lot of videos on the same topic that I'm talking about. Why? Because we want to make money using AdSense. Before you play this video, you saw an ad. There was an ad before this video, or even in the middle, you can see ads and stuff. We're making money from AdSense. That's why we do a lot of videos. We do it for free. Even artists like Drake, Jay-Z, they leave their music on YouTube for free because they want to make extra money from that. Imagine you also doing your own videos, creating your own videos and marketing them just to get views and you get paid. People watching your videos and you get paid, that is wonderful. So you can equally do that and get paid doing that. So you can do YouTube, start a YouTube channel, make money using YouTube, and you can use affiliate links. If you look down this video, there are affiliate links that if you click on them, I get to make money. So let's move to number 5. Number 5 is you can write an ebook. You can publish books on Amazon. You can publish books on your own websites, and you can make money selling these books. You can sell low content books. You can sell ebooks. As simple as that. You can do 10 leadership skills, and that could be a book. You publish that on Amazon, KDP, and you make money. People are even selling notebooks, journals, planners. So you can also learn into it and publish and start making money. Number 6 is you can create an online course. We all have experiences. No matter who you are, I believe in you that you have some experience that you want to share with the world. If you don't even have experiences, Google them. Start learning something today, and you can put that in a course. 1 hour course is enough. 10 minutes, you can do 10 lessons, and you put them together as a course. You can sell them on Udemy. You can sell them on Skillshare. You can sell your courses on Teachable. There are a lot of courses websites that you can sell your courses on, and you can equally create your own website and start selling your own courses. So, and it's simpler to create. You can show your face like I'm doing, and I can just take this and put it as a course, or you may even decide not to show your face, and you are still making some impact with your online course. So start it now. Don't wait. You can make impact by starting or creating your online course. It's simple to do, to be frank. And if you don't believe, just try it. Put one, Google some resources, put them together as a course, and you will try to see how it works. But then explore. If it's not something for you, then let's move to the 7th one. The 7th business idea or passive income idea that you can start is you can start selling digital products. Yes, you heard me right. PDFs, JPEGs. These are things you can sell on Etsy.com. Just use Canva to create digital products. You can even design t-shirts, and once people buy them, Teespring and other t-shirts companies will print it and sell to them, and you make commissions from that. So there are a lot of digital products that you can sell, from thank you cards. If you go onto Etsy, you can even sell digital wall arts. You can sell images, you can sell photos, there are a lot of things that you can sell in the name of digital products. So go out there, start exploring, and start making it. Don't give yourself excuses. Let me tell you one thing. Most of you have a lot of excuses. Excuse that you cannot make it, or excuse that, oh, it's difficult, excuse that, oh, there are a lot of people who are experienced, excuse that the people who are doing the videos, they know what it is. No, stop it. Start something today. You may start with a YouTube video, you may start with an ebook, you may start with like a blog, but then just start something today and you will make impact. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, and I'm here to always help you. Reach out, follow my channel, share this channel if there's value in this, and let's be friends. But then comment, share, so that I will know that you are monitoring and the country that you are monitoring from. Thank you very much, my friend. I believe in you. Let's do this again.